Wake of all the natural disasters that we've been seeing, especially on the East Coast there, we are watching out for your safety this morning.
Now, it is National Emergency Preparedness Month, and News 5's Shayla Jordan spoke with experts about what we can all do before disaster strikes. Shayla?
There are 3 steps that you need to take, Ira and Bree. The first one is to have a go bag. And of course, we all know the usual items like emergency water, like I have right here, of course, food, but think outside the box. I'm talking about phone chargers. Those always come in handy. Even jumper cables, some of the items we have here. And you want to have them ready to go, somewhere that you can grab. So a car, that's a great place to keep this go bag. Step 2, sit down with your family and come up with a plan. Ask the question, if you need to get out in a hurry, what do you need to do? And of course, make sure to discuss the quickest way out of your home, especially if you're in an apartment complex.
Think about the folks that are in the hurricane prone area or here. If we have to get out because of a wildfire, okay, what will we do? How do we eat? You know, how do we stay informed? And those types of things are really important.
Finally, make sure you're able to stay informed. You can register for emergency alerts at El Paso Teller 911.org. You'll see that at the bottom of your screen. And of course, stay up to date with that News 5 app and be sure to have those chargers on hand in case your phone battery dies. Now, worst comes to worst, if it does die, you want to have all of those phone numbers written out. So this is a great example of what a family communication plan should look like. Of course, I took the liberty of filling out the News 5 family. I have Ira, Bree, and Sam right here. Big shocker, I don't have all of your medical information off the top of my head, so we'll have to catch up on that later. But this should include things like birthdays, social security numbers, and also, this is another great example, doctor's info, pharmacists, even medical insurance. You never know when all that information is going to come in handy. And of course, we have this all up on the News 5 app and KOAA.com. Watching out for you, Colorado Springs. Shayla Jordan, News 5.
Thank you, Shayla. Somehow I have a feeling if there is a natural disaster we don't get to evacuate, we'll